BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Hello, my friends. Today we are going to draw a butterfly. At first, I draw her face. I draw her eyes. And I draw her smiling mouth. Now I'm drawing her body. I love drawing and painting. Please try to draw with me. And let's draw her wings.
He knew that something special was coming in a magical way. Butterfly, butterfly, spread your wings and fly through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky.
Do you like butterfly? Butterfly are so cute.
One day he felt so sleepy, so he found a cozy spot, wrapped himself in a blanket, called a chrysalis, nice and taut. Inside his little cocoon, a wondrous change took place. He dreamed of the
I draw flowers.
and the sunshine on his
Butterfly
face.
likes flowers.
Butterfly,
And I like flower as well.
spread your wings and fly through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky. You're a miracle, oh my. On one bright and sunny morning, he emerged with wings so bright. Colors of the rainbow, he took his very first flight. Butterfly, butterfly, spread your wings and fly.
Yellow,
Through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky. You're
Pink.
a miracle, oh my.
green,
Now he dances in
Dark
the
pink.
sunshine, flitting through the garden's blooms. A butterfly so beautiful,
Blue.
spreading joy with all its plumes. Butterfly, butterfly,
Orange.
spread your wings and
I
fly.
love colorful.
Through the meadows up so high.
Purple.
Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky. You're a miracle, oh my.
Yellow,
In a garden full of flowers underneath the sunny sky lived a little caterpillar dreaming he could
Blue.
one day fly. He nibbled on the leaves so
Green.
growing stronger every day.
Red.
He knew that something special was coming
Dark
in a
pink.
magical way. Butterfly, butterfly, spread your wings and fly through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky. You're a miracle, oh my.
do you like colorful color?
One day he felt so sleepy, so he found a cozy spot, wrapped himself in a blanket, called a chrysalis, nice and taut. Inside his little cocoon, a wondrous change took place. He dreamed of the skies and flowers.
Look,
and the
how
sunshine
cute is
on
Butterfly.
his face. Butterfly, butterfly, spread your wings and fly.
Green,
Through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky. You're a miracle, oh my. Then one bright and sunny morning,
Yellow.
he emerged with wings
Orange.
so bright. With colors of the
Pink.
rainbow, he took his very
Green.
first flight.
pink,
Butterfly,
Blue.
butterfly, spread your wings and fly.
yellow,
Through the
Dark
meadows up
pink.
so high.
Orange.
Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the
Green.
sky. You're a miracle, oh my. Now he dances in the sunshine, flitting through the garden's blooms. A butterfly so beautiful, spreading joy with all his plumes. Butterfly, butterfly,
Thank you for watching.
Wings and fly through the meadows up so high. Butterfly, butterfly, colors in the sky.